You can use the directory to add, edit, cancel, search, and call contacts from the local directory. Add contacts to the local directory in one of three ways: manually, from call history, or from a remote phone book. Add contacts manually by pressing Menu and selecting Directory. Then select Local Directory, followed by All Contacts. Press the Add soft key and input the contact information in the corresponding fields. Finally, press the Add soft key to accept the change, which will allow you to see the newly added contact in your contact list. To search for a contact, press the Directory soft key, then press Search on the following local directory page. Input your search information in the search box, and the phone will automatically filter your contacts to display the search results. To call a contact, press the Directory key, choose All Contacts, select your desired contact, and press the Send key to begin dialing. To edit or cancel a contact, select the desired contact, choose Option, and select the details you'd like to edit, or choose Delete to cancel the contact. The T41G also supports intelligent search. For example, when you enter the dial or pre-dial interface and input the initial or all characters of the contact's name or number, the LCD displays all the contacts' names and numbers that meet those matching conditions. The LCD screen will then display the contact's appropriate information when calling them.